What are we making?
A marble run.
Marble run. What do we need to make a marble run?
Toilet paper rolls.
Toilet paper rolls, cardboard tubes, marbles, paper plates, and hot glue, right?
And caps.
And caps. What are the caps from?
A bottle.
Sports drink bottles. We're going to start cutting these plates up. I'll let that dry. We got our first little helix going on here, but we're a little concerned about how well these pieces are going to hold the marble, so we decided to layer up a couple like that so we got a nice deep channel for these to run in. I also found we can take one piece, cut a slit down the middle, cut a circle, and we'll be able to go right like this and create a nice little cone bowl shape so we can spin the marble around and then drop it through another tube just like that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Marble run, tons of fun.
Okay, go. Painting crew taking care of the details. Mommy Bravo had a pretty slick idea to open this up, and you'll see what that's for in a minute. Alright, so we got the marble run mostly finished. We got 2 separate runs, so we'll give it a whirl.
12.
Here we're going to start with the catapult. And it goes around the bowl and then goes down and around through the tunnel. And now we got run number 2. Through the helix, down the bowl. And then it drops down into the other chamber. Pretty slick. Ah! Try it again.
This time I'm not going to hit anything. Ready, set, go.
In the bowl. There you go. Catapult is actually fairly simple. I just took this section of the sports drink bottle, cut it out, and then glued the cap to one section of it. So just this section that I said I cut out, glued the cap to the top, rolled up a piece of a plate, glued it here. I have a nice bending point, and it flicks it up at just the right angle, but it doesn't go too high or too far. Don't worry too much if you run out of cardboard tubes or you don't have enough. You can just take the inside of the paper plates that you cut out, cut them square, then you can roll these up to be just about the same, and this will give you your support that you need. Save your scraps, because in our case we were able to use the scrap piece from the plate in between here to support this. Here is a bracing here, and we have one similar to this underneath on the back side over here. You may have noticed these V-shaped tracks and you're wondering how we made those. Fold it. Actually cut right along the fold, and then fold the last piece. You can actually get quite a few pieces and make a nice long little V-track if you wanted. Alright, so that was the marble run. As you heard, it's tons of fun, so the whole thing you can build with just parts you can find around the house. If you did have to buy paper plates or anything else, you could still do the whole project for under $10. If you like this video and projects like these, be sure to subscribe. We'll be bringing you a lot more videos. Be sure to leave a comment and tell your grandma how much you love it, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.